Toastmaster Dinesh, me in me, Toastmaster Dinesh.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are, and visible as well.
Okay. You are seeing me, but there is one more me inside me. I want to introduce the other me as well. I am G. Dinesh Kumar, and he is my soul. He can talk whatever he wants to talk, but I just can't talk against him. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I just broke the ice. Show off. He thinks he is very creative. I was born and brought up in Chennai to a beautiful middle class couple. I have an elder brother. When I was born, my family pampered me a lot. First, when he was born, his grandpa thought the baby has been changed in the hospital as he was dark in color comparing to his brother. I was a very innocent kid. Second, he was very mischievous. Because of this fellow, his mother couldn't attend any of the family functions for almost 5 years. He broke countless things. Though my father was an electrician, I was put in a good English convent school. Thanks to his mother's determination, she became a tailor to raise him up. My childhood days are so memorable and I can't explain it in words. That's a complete lie. His annual day school drama got cancelled at the last minute. His annual day dance practice was cancelled during the practice session itself. And power goes off exactly when his favorite cartoon plays. He was bullied by the people during the childhood days as he was a very fat kid. I studied in a boys' higher secondary school and sports was not my cup of tea. I used to be in the top 3 ranks and I got 483 marks in 10th and 1149 marks in 12th, which fetched me the school first rank. His PT master didn't allow him in any of the games as he was playing very bad. Coming to studies, he studies a lot. He feels very upset if he gets 99 out of 100. He became school topper because the other toppers couldn't score more. That's a pure luck. With God's grace, I took civil engineering in Anna University. To be frank, this guy doesn't know about Anna University when he was in 12th. He took civil engineering because his brother told him to take during the counseling time. He came to know about architecture after joining the college only. I continued to study well in college and I actively took part in extracurricular activities like NSS, organizing technical symposiums and events, and most importantly, I learned about people during college life only. This guy is a complete cashew nut. He would simply raise his hand when someone asked, "Any volunteer here?" He was teased just for talking with the girls. He participated in a solo dance competition and he failed miserably. You know what? His Facebook account was hacked by his friends and they put a status, "I am going to commit a suicide as I got only 9.79 CGPA." And it became a talk of the town. I got the job in L&T construction through campus placement and that literally changed my family's economic condition. Well, that is true. He literally gave freedom to his mother from tailoring after almost 20 years. I joined as a GED in 2014 in B&FIC. I worked in a Chennai project for a year, then I worked in Odisha project for 1.5 years. Then I came to HQ and I'm working in digital department for the past 3.5 years. This guy is fascinated about computers and technology. Luckily, he got into the digital team and he is enjoying each day. When I came to HQ, I heard about Toastmasters and I attended my first meeting in December 2016 and I became a member in 2017. My speeches, my contests, my role plays and all the XCOM roles that I have taken over this year has improved my writing, communication skill, leadership skills, persuasion skills, influencing others and how to connect with people. So all these skills to a greater extent. The main reason he joined Toastmasters, he just loves talking in front of a gathering and to meet new people. Well, coming to my interests and things, I am an active learner, I am a creative person, I am an amateur poet, and I love teaching to kids. Though his mother tongue is Telugu, he doesn't know to read and write Telugu. So he writes poems and short stories in Tamil and English. He has a blog, he has an Insta page, he has an FB page. Don't follow them. Well, I am 27 years old and I am still single. Nobody was willing to get mingle with him. If he likes a girl, either the girl would have been taken already or her marriage will be fixed. My dear friends, I believe two things strongly. Hard work never fails and education can transform people's lives. Today I am talking in front of you because of the good education that I have got. Well, this is the one I will completely agree with him. Education can transform people's life. Please give quality education to your kids at any cost. Finally, there can be n number of Dinesh, but I want to be remembered as GD. Uh-oh, the ice that he broke is melted. Time to clean. Bye. TMOD, please come back. Thank you.